Subscribe to Nigeria's Craziest. Press the bell icon and never miss another video update.
Hello guys, welcome to this episode. On this episode, we want to take a look at Ubat Angel Jr. We know your father will attempt to block this video with his ghost company called Afrinoli Pictures.
We will tell you that we will re-upload it.
We will keep re-uploading this
back
video.
To back.
We will keep re-uploading. In fact, we'll keep re-uploading it until we see who will tire. Ubat Angel, we will see who will tire. Let's go there. Your useless son. Oh my God. This boy, this he-goat of a boy that is magayaing everything. He calls himself a seer. Angel Jr. He requiring all the girls in Europe, in London, giving them money from father's tithe and offering. This young man, in conjunction with his he-goat father and the he-goat Bushiri, a cacophony of he-goats. Ubat Angel he-goat.
A what?
A cacophony of he-goats.
Cacophony.
Ubat Angel, the father, a he-goat. Wait, let me finish. Ubat Angel, the father, a he-goat, begets Ubat Angel Jr., a he-goat, begets Bishiri, a he-goat. All of them, Major 1 and Seer 1. What were you saying about cacophony?
Cacophony. First of all, in Nigeria, if you say, I want to go and kaka, that means you want to go and bifurcate.
Bifurcate. What's
bifurcate. That's it. Want to poo-poo.
Want to poo-poo.
Want to bifurcate. That is, I want to go and kaka. Cacophony. That means somebody that is kakaing.
And making
calls. Not making calls.
You can see that you're a moron. You can see that you're a moron.
Because why cacophony? Kaka is phony. Okay, now let me show you again. Wait, there is a player.
We will not go into this one.
Okay, let me just say something. There is a player called Kaka.
Kaka.
He's a Brazilian player.
Kaka is not Kaka.
Kaka. Everything the same thing. Kaka, Kanka. Everything the same thing. Now that guy he now on call. He called Kaka phony. That is Kaka on phone. He calling somebody. What is his business with this one? I don't want to say much. Let me leave you. No problem. Let me just go to the video. Please watch attentively.
Those who don't know me, my name is Ubat Angel Jr. Some people call me the pioneer, the youngest pioneer of the prophetic movement. Some people call me Emeritus Jr. Most people call me Seer 1. So right now my older brother Major 1 just told me to move around and touch people. So I'm just gonna move around.
This boy does not have respect. He says his older brother. Bushiri is your uncle. You are a small boy. Bushiri, forget that he's a he-goat. He's your uncle. So don't call him your older
You see now.
He said his name is Seer 1. Emeritus. Have you noticed that all of them call themselves Emeritus?
I don't know. Is it that you like Titus fish? That you always say Emeritus?
What does Emeritus got to do with Titus?
Yes, because there's toss inside.
So, because there is toss.
Yes. So it's when you like something, Titus fish, you have to add toss to everything you do.
It's okay. Let's continue.
So wait, he now said, Bushiri asked him to
move around there
to touch people. That means God did not send you. That is Bushiri. It's Bushiri that asked me.
Yeah.
You understand? So that means whatever you want to say is a lie. Bushiri asks you to do it. It's not God. But later in between, you will lie. I know you will say in the realm of the spirit, let's watch.
And touch people. Listen, wait. I didn't want to prophesy. But can I prophesy? Come here.
I don't want to prophesy. But can I prophesy? This boy like drama. And why are these idiots shouting? Why are they shouting? What exactly has he done that warrants them to shout?
They have used them.
All these ones, their destiny is gone.
That's why they tell you that they use their brain to fry plantain and give them to shop. They eat it.
Come here. Stand here. Stand there. Is this your first time talking to me? Is this your first time talking to me?
Yes.
So you've not seen me before?
Yes.
Stand still. Stand still. You're a big man. Can I prophesy? In the realm of the spirit, I saw you
my
going
day.
higher and higher and higher.
I believe.
Because it's like right now there's nothing to talk about.
Yes.
Right now all you're doing is you're the usher for Major One.
Yes.
But I don't know if this is like a few months ago or a year ago, I saw you like making watches. Watches. Like something to do with Rolex. I don't know, something to do with Rolex. Like watches. Watches.
Hubert Angel's son. First of all, Rolex is a big brand. It's a company that have their own watchmakers. They have their own brand. So how can an usher in church become a Rolex maker?
They repair all the Rolex.
He said he makes Rolex. That means he's making knockoff Rolex. I don't understand. You making fake Rolexes? You don't have sense.
This one where be say you not even dey close to people who work there.
Watches.
I used to do that.
You used to do watches?
Yeah.
Please tell me if I'm lying.
Yes, I used to do.
Wait.
The guy is not sure. What he's saying is, even the guy, you can see he pauses before he
What
answers.
he thinking?
Because he is not sure of what this little he-goat is saying.
As far as I said, you know those people that is always holding the microphone.
They're always prompting.
They're always prompting you. Say just say yes.
Say yes.
They'll be pitching you.
We will upload a video where Transfire said that. They'll
They'll be pinching you just to say just say yes. Just say yes.
But I don't know if this is like a week ago, but I saw you arguing with your girlfriend. Wait, and it's like I went from Pretoria, and then I moved from Pretoria, I went to Cape Town. I moved from Cape Town, and I moved to like a village, like a Makine, I don't know, like M.
Where are you moving to, you this young he-goat? Stay one place. You are giving prophecy, you are moving. To where? You are doing like if you are rapping. You think this is how the spirit works? Is this how the spiritual realm works?
Nah, snake. They do. It's snake style. You should know him.
M. Where is she?
It's my girlfriend.
Where is she?
She's in Mukpan.
Can I prophesy? Son of Emeritus.
One person commented. She said, Mopani is not anywhere near Cape Town or Pretoria. And
wait, and it's like this is the exact argument that you are arguing about. Please, at any moment, tell me if I'm lying. It's like you were in church and Major One was about to heal somebody and she was doubting Major One. Is what I'm saying true? She's like doubting Major One even though she's a daughter of Major One.
She is a daughter of Major One.
But she was doubting. Please tell me.
They love pushing my guy.
He doesn't want to talk. That person say it's true.
You don't pinch and tire the pain.
Say it's true. So I can see. She was doubting that Major One did a miracle, even though she's a daughter of Major One. Tell me if I'm lying. Tell me if I'm lying. If I'm not saying the truth.
She must. You see, okay. Make her talk. Say not true.
Say it's true now.
Yeah, he say make her talk. Say yes, it's true. Because of you are pinching me too much now. Reduce it. Reduce it. I will say it's true. It's true.
Aha! E-goat.
Nonsense people.
Doubting. Please tell me if I'm lying.
Yeah,
tell me if I'm lying.
She was.
Listen. Let me.
You are saying what?
She was doubting because I was standing there. She was holding a child. She was brushing a child here. I asked her, what's wrong? She said, no.
That guy was saying something in his ear.
Yes.
It was really close to him. It was
yes. After that man don't respond.
Yeah. He moved out.
You see it. Oh. All these guys, they don't train there. They train them on how to push people. Just force them.
So Bushiri will have like 30 to 40 people on his payroll
What are you saying?
that will be doing all this rubbish.
You know, as far as I say, you see, they are all on payroll. They pay them. He too, he got some cash. Hi, that money. Cash.
$10,000.
Chai, I wish. Chai. Then,
Let's continue.
Why make one cannot play for my child? My child is sick. He said, no, don't worry. It is time. I was there.
She was
You were there?
doubting because I was standing there. She was holding a child. She was
Give Jesus a
holding
big
child.
hand, somebody.
I asked her, what's wrong? She said,
Wait.
no. Why Major One cannot play for my
She
child?
was doubting
My
Major
child
One.
is sick.
Yes,
No,
yes.
don't
And then you
worry.
even
It
said
is time.
the God of Major
I
One
was
and
there.
Prophet Angel.
Yes,
Yes.
man of God.
In fact, you even have a photo of my father in your phone.
Yes.
Like a profile picture.
Yes.
Can I prophesy? But I see the Lord taking you.
see what they said about the woman here. First of all, they remember that that guy, he said, so Robert K, watch technician, which means they know the guy. He's not even close to anything. So he say, is this woman not from Botswana? I mean, the one who is trying to prove the prophecy. You see her.
So that woman was from Botswana.
You call the killing prophecy with this South Africa.
Make sure you claim all the courses in South Africa too, because you are claiming prophecy that does not concern you. Okay.
Higher and higher and higher.
It was, I had put it as a profile, but I just changed it this today
But
morning.
you put it as a profile.
Yes, yes.
And in fact, I don't know what, but this is like a blue passport.
Oh, yes. I have it. It's here. It's here.
Can I prophesy?
Prophesy.
But the Lord is saying that He's gonna take you all over the world. I see you moving and moving.
Hey, I receive. Oh my God. Jesus.
Listen, I'm about to lay my hands on people right now.
Oh my God, I receive. Prophesy.
Stand straight, stand straight.
You know the scary part? I'm about to lay my hands on people. This young man is a fornicator. We've heard of his story. How he sleeps, how his father, him and his father
They are the
sleep
same
with
thing.
different
they are the
girls.
same thing.
Now you want to lay that fornication spirit, that your dirty hand on top people.
So that when
That
they
your cursed
when
hand.
they fall, anytime you call them for to come and collect, they will rush.
Your father wrote us the other time to say that the video we did was making you cry. You have not cried though. It's that you cried that you have not cried though. See one. By the time we finish with you and your father,
They will not see again.
that your eyes will close. You will not see again. He's telling us that the video was putting you in trauma. He's writing YouTube that the video we did put him in trauma before he found the Afrinoli pictures.
So what you are doing does not put
People in trauma.
It does not affect a lot of people.
This
How
idiot
many
brought
lives
out
are
a blue
destroyed?
passport and you're shouting, say you
Eh.
will travel. You're shouting, hey!
And that guy is suffering today too.
Suffer will kill you. It is that suffer that will kill you. You will not travel anywhere.
Wait.
For trying to fake. How much will they pay you for this rubbish you have come to do now?
1,000 rands.
Yes, 2,000 rand or 3,000.
You can never get up to 3,000.
Bushiri has planted this thing. Bushiri came out to support
Bring
the
that
boys'
one.
rubbish.
So now the woman don't rush. Near Bush. He don't run. Say, I want to testify, sir. Oh yeah. Forget.
This young man is a liar.
Big one.
There's this African saying that says, it's an Ashanti saying, that says, the worst you can do to truth is to clothe it in lie. Young man, what?
No, don't worry. Leave it. Let me tell you. The worst you can do to truth is they clothe it with a lie. Nobody in this world, no tailor, no fashion designer can stand up or wake up in the morning or afternoon or night and say he want to sew cloth for life. No, yes, I don't like
I don't like the way
talk.
you take everything literally.
Yes.
This thing is not literal.
Are we in literature class? In literary on literary, on bilateral equation, are we in literature class? How can you say equality lie with one kulota? Okay, now you be the teller where you want so agbada for the cloth, for the lie. Now you want wear ankara or you want wear what's it called suit? Now you want wear or you want wear shirt and knicker. Now you be the teller where you want so cloth for okay. They don't employ you as the fashion designer. Where go design less. So yeah, which cloth go fit you? Oya, come, let me put the proof. Okay, size 39, size 400. Oya, let me sew this cloth for you. Because Lice, you wan go party. Lice, get event where he wan go. He wan go fashion parade. Okay, Lice don tell human beings where they go show. So that they go say, okay, you need to wear this cloth today. Don't wear this cloth tomorrow to another event. You come here. Say, Lice, somebody cloth Lice. Who dey cloth Lice in this world? So something that is not good, somebody will now go and sew cloth and wear it for you. Oh! All the fashion designer in this world. If you're a fashion designer, when last did you sew clothes for Lice? Please tell us. Because this one don't come outside and say somebody sew clothes for Lice. When last did you sew clothes for Lice? Oh, which kind of clothes did you sew? Is it angbada or boxer or handkerchief or towel or suit? I don't know. Tell me what kind of clothes did you sew for Lice?
No, I'm not talking again. Round up the episode.
That is, you see, because they don't like the truth, they like Lice. You see, it's now changing it. You see, you cannot round up the. So let me tell you at this point in time, for you not to think of somebody sewing clothes for Lice, don't forget to share this video. Very important. Share the video. Don't join people that want to sew clothes for Lice. Oh, if you're a fashion designer, if you can do it, I know you cannot even do it. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, tell your family and friend that this channel is doing a great job. Don't forget, we have a backup channel called My African Truth. Go there, subscribe. We have Ababandais. Is there everything is in the link construction business. Don't forget, you know what we do now. You can support us. We've been trying. From small, from $1 to $1,000, everything. Support us in any way you can, spiritually, morally. Don't forget to always pray for us, because what we do is not an easy thing. And don't forget, my God always say, question everything, because no more is boring. Thank you. We love you so much. God bless. Oga, you don't sew cloth finish. Oh yeah, go and wear the cloth. The bee don't sew the cloth for liar finish. Go and wear it.
Am I a tailor? Am I sewing cloth for? What's the
Go and wear it. Be a guy person where they sew. Go tell them to sew cloth for the lie. I don't go. Thank you.